Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some super affordable mods that can give your car a noticeable boost in performance. We're talking about those smaller, often overlooked upgrades that can make a surprising difference in how your car drives without breaking the bank. I've done a lot of crazy things to cars on this channel, but sometimes the most satisfying changes are the simplest ones. So, if you're ready to unlock a little extra oomph from your ride without selling a kidney, buckle up because we're about to get into it. First up, we're talking about your car's air filter and specifically upgrading to a K&N air filter. Think of your engine as your lungs. It needs to breathe to perform its best. A standard air filter can be restrictive, kind of like trying to run a marathon with a stuffy nose. The K&N, on the other hand, is designed for high flow. It's made from layers of oiled cotton gauze that trap dirt and debris but allow more air to pass through. This means your engine gets a bigger gulp of air with every breath, resulting in better combustion and a little extra pep in its step. Next up, let's talk about freeing up your car's exhaust with a straight pipe. Now this mod isn't for everyone, especially if you're a fan of a quiet ride because it can get loud. But if you can handle a little extra rumble, a straight pipe can unleash a few extra horsepower that your factory exhaust might be choking. Essentially, a straight pipe removes mufflers and resonators, which are designed to quiet down the exhaust note. While those components are great for keeping things civilized, they can also create back pressure, which is essentially resistance to the flow of exhaust gases. By removing them, you allow the engine to exhale more freely, improving performance. Now let's talk about giving your engine a breath of fresh air, literally, with a cold air intake. You know how you feel more energized on a crisp, cool day? Well, your engine feels the same way about cold air. A cold air intake relocates your car's air intake, usually from somewhere deep in the engine bay to a position where it can draw in cooler air, often behind the front grille. Cooler air is denser, meaning it packs more oxygen molecules, and since oxygen is a key ingredient in combustion, more oxygen equals more power. Plus, many cold air intake kits come with larger diameter tubing, further reducing airflow restriction. Let's move on to something small but mighty performance spark plugs. While they might seem insignificant, spark plugs play a critical role in your engine's performance. They're responsible for igniting the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber, and a good spark makes all the difference. Performance spark plugs are typically designed with finer electrode tips, which create a stronger, more focused spark. This can lead to more complete and efficient combustion, squeezing a bit more power from your engine. And while the gains might be subtle, every little bit counts, right? Finally, let's talk about lightening your car's load, specifically its rotational mass, by upgrading to lightweight wheels. Think of it this way: it takes more effort to spin a heavier object, right? The same principle applies to your car's wheels. Heavy wheels require more energy to rotate, which means your engine has to work harder to get them moving. This is especially noticeable during acceleration. Lighter wheels, on the other hand, reduce this rotational mass, freeing up horsepower that would have otherwise been used to spin those heavy wheels. This translates to quicker acceleration and a more responsive driving experience. And there you have it! 5 budget-friendly mods to make your car faster. Remember, while these mods might not transform your car into a track monster overnight, they can make a noticeable difference in performance without requiring you to take out a second mortgage. It's all about maximizing what you've got and having some fun in the process. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome car tips and tricks. See you next time.